If you think your full-frame setup captures everything, wait until you see the staggering depth and breathtaking detail of true medium format photography. Today we are ranking the ultimate medium format cameras to reveal which one actually deserves your hard-earned money. Let us jump right into the countdown, starting off with our number 7 pick. 7. Fujifilm GFX100RF. Starting off our list at number 7 is the Fujifilm GFX100RF. When I first got my hands on this camera, I was incredibly excited to experience its massive sensor capabilities in a supposedly streamlined body. The resolution is undeniably impressive, allowing you to crop heavily into your images without losing that crucial detail. However, the excitement quickly began to fade once I started using it in fast-paced environments where reliability is everything. The autofocus system, while functional for completely static studio subjects, struggled immensely to keep up with any sort of dynamic movement. I found myself missing critical shots during a portrait session simply because the camera hunted endlessly for contrast. Another significant issue I encountered was the overall ergonomics and weight distribution. Holding this camera for extended periods became a genuinely exhausting experience, as the grip felt strangely unnatural for a system of this size and weight. Your hands will definitely feel the fatigue after just an hour of continuous handheld shooting. The menu system also feels remarkably convoluted, forcing you to dig through endless submenus just to change basic exposure settings on the fly. In a professional setting, this kind of interface lag is absolutely unacceptable and severely disrupts the creative flow when you're trying to work quickly. While the raw image files it produces are undeniably beautiful, a frustrating user experience makes it incredibly difficult to recommend. If you shoot exclusively in a highly controlled studio where speed is irrelevant, it might work, but for anything else, it falls painfully short of expectations. 6. KODAK EKTAR H35. Moving on to number 6, we have the KODAK EKTAR H35. Now, I know what you are thinking. This is a half-frame 35mm camera, and its inclusion in a medium format discussion is certainly an unexpected twist. I wanted to test it because many analog enthusiasts suggest it as a lightweight daily carry for those who normally shoot heavy film formats. The primary appeal here is obviously the cost-saving nature of the half-frame format, giving you twice as many exposures on a single roll of film. It is incredibly compact, fits right into your pocket, and has an undeniably charming retro aesthetic that gets a lot of compliments on the street. Unfortunately, the actual photographic experience leaves a massive amount to be desired, especially if you are used to any level of high-quality imaging. The plastic lens produces aggressively soft images that lack any sort of meaningful sharpness, completely defeating the purpose of carrying a dedicated camera in the first place. I also found the built-in flash to be highly unreliable, often overpowering the subject or failing to recycle fast enough for a second shot. The fixed focus and fixed aperture mean you surrender all creative control, which is incredibly frustrating when the lighting conditions are anything less than perfect daylight. Ultimately, while it functions as a fun little toy for casual snapshots, it simply cannot satisfy the needs of a serious photographer. It feels incredibly flimsy in the hands, and the resulting scans consistently reminded me why investing in proper higher-end glass is absolutely essential for acceptable results. 5. Fujifilm GFX100 II. Coming in at number 5 is the spectacular Fujifilm GFX100 II. Shifting back into the realm of true high-end medium format, this camera feels like a massive breath of fresh air. From the moment I picked it up, the redesigned ergonomics felt perfectly tailored to my hands, making it surprisingly comfortable for long shooting days. The autofocus performance on this model is nothing short of a revelation for the medium format world. I was absolutely blown away by how accurately and swiftly it tracked moving subjects, something that is notoriously difficult for cameras with sensors of this massive physical size. Shooting with the GFX100 II out in the field is an absolute joy, thanks to its incredibly bright and responsive electronic viewfinder. It provides a crystal-clear preview of your exposure, which gave me immense confidence when shooting complex lighting setups on location. The integration of modern video features is another area where this camera completely shines. I was able to capture absolutely stunning cinematic footage with a depth of field that simply looks magical, making it a true hybrid powerhouse for versatile content creators. Every single image straight out of the camera possesses that legendary Fujifilm color science, requiring minimal tweaking in post-production. It represents a massive leap forward in medium format technology, combining breathtaking resolution with a level of speed and usability that is genuinely hard to beat. 4. GFX100. Our number 4 spot goes to the legendary original Fujifilm GFX100. Even with newer models hitting the market, stepping back to use this camera reminded me exactly why it caused such a massive earthquake in the photography industry upon its initial release. It is a true beast that commands absolute respect. The integrated vertical battery grip gives the camera a very substantial professional feel that balances perfectly with larger, heavier lenses. When I used it for a high-end commercial fashion shoot, that extra grip made all the difference in maintaining stability and control while shooting in portrait orientation. The 102 megapixel sensor inside this camera is nothing short of phenomenal, capturing textures and micro contrasts with mind-bending clarity. When I zoomed into the raw files on my monitor, I could literally see individual threads on the subject's clothing with perfect, uncompromising sharpness. One of my favorite aspects of using the GFX100 is the incredible in-body image stabilization system. I was able to comfortably shoot handheld at shockingly slow shutter speeds in dimly lit environments, something that used to be completely impossible with high-resolution medium format systems. It remains an absolute workhorse for serious professionals who demand uncompromising image quality above all else. The sheer amount of data packed into every single file gives you an unprecedented level of flexibility when editing, making it an incredibly powerful tool for commercial and fine art applications. 3. Pentax 67. Taking the number 3 spot is an absolute icon of analog photography, the mighty Pentax 67. Shooting with this massive, heavy piece of metal is a visceral, mechanical experience that modern digital cameras simply cannot replicate. It commands your full attention every single time you cock the shutter. When you look down through that enormous, bright viewfinder, the world simply looks different. The depth of field provided by the 6x7 negative size is absolutely staggering, allowing me to isolate subjects with a three-dimensional pop that feels incredibly organic and distinctly cinematic. The lenses available for the Pentax 67 system, particularly the legendary 105mm f2.4, are pure optical magic. I have captured some of my absolute favorite portraits with this exact setup, achieving a beautifully smooth focus transition that digital sensors still struggle to artificially emulate. Yes, it is loud, and yes, the mirror slap sounds like a small explosion. But that tactile feedback is incredibly satisfying. It forces you to slow down, compose carefully, and truly think about your lighting and subject before committing to an exposure. While it lacks the modern conveniences of autofocus and digital review, the massive film negatives it produces offer a level of detail and character that is timeless. It is a heavy burden to carry on a full-day shoot, but the magical results you get back from the lab make every single ounce completely worth it. 2. Fujifilm GFX100S. Coming in blazing hot at number 2 is the Fujifilm GFX100S. If there is one camera that completely democratized the medium format experience without sacrificing an ounce of performance, it is absolutely this masterpiece. It completely changed my perspective on what a portable system can actually do. The fact that Fujifilm managed to cram a 102 megapixel medium format sensor into a body that is roughly the same size as a standard full-frame DSLR is practically sorcery. It fit effortlessly into my everyday camera bag, allowing me to take medium format quality to remote landscapes without breaking my back. The image quality is virtually identical to its much larger siblings, delivering those same breathtakingly rich colors and insane dynamic range. When photographing sweeping landscapes, I was able to pull an incredible amount of detail out of the deep shadows without introducing any destructive noise into the image. The physical controls and dials are intuitively placed, making the shooting experience feel incredibly natural and fluid. I never felt like I was fighting the camera to change my ISO or shutter speed. Everything is exactly where a seasoned photographer expects it to be. It is the perfect sweet spot between extreme high-resolution capabilities and practical, everyday usability. For anyone looking to graduate to a larger sensor format without dealing with a massive, bulky studio camera, The GFX 100S is an absolute triumph of brilliant engineering. 1. X2D 100C. Finally, taking the absolute #1 spot on our list is the breathtaking Hasselblad X2D 100C. Calling this a camera almost feels like an insult. It is a meticulously crafted piece of fine art that just happens to take the most stunning photographs you have ever seen. From the second you hold the machined aluminum body, the premium build quality is immediately apparent. The Scandinavian design philosophy shines through in every detail, resulting in a minimalist interface that strips away all distractions and allows you to focus entirely on the pure joy of making an image. The Hasselblad natural color solution is genuinely in a league of its own. I shot a complex portrait session using this camera, and the skin tones it rendered straight out of the camera were so flawless and true to life that I barely had to touch them in post-production. The massive internal 1TB SSD is an incredibly brilliant feature that completely eliminates the anxiety of forgetting or filling up memory cards on location. Combined with the glorious high-resolution electronic viewfinder, the entire shooting experience feels incredibly modern, refined, and exceptionally luxurious. It is undoubtedly a massive financial investment, but it rewards you with a shooting experience and image quality that is simply unmatched by anything else on the market today. The Hasselblad X2D 100C represents the absolute pinnacle of medium format photography, earning its rightful place as our ultimate #1 choice. There you have it, the ultimate ranking of the best medium format cameras available today. Whether you crave the tactile magic of analog film or the cutting-edge perfection of modern digital sensors, stepping up to medium format will completely transform your photography. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.